New construction in a great well and septic neighborhood on an exceptionally large triple lot and surrounded by newer homes. The DELRAY floor plan offers 3 bedrooms plus flex room, 2 bathrooms and a 3-car garage. Boosting 2,034 square feet of open and spacious great room, ideal for entertaining friends and family. This open concept home makes entertaining a breeze with its large kitchen island and expansive lanai, thus extending your living space to the outdoors. With Traditions series, we added our Diamond Package signature upgrade options such as 42 kitchen cabinets with under-cabinet task lighting and molding, granite kitchen and baths, sleek subway tile backsplash, stylish ceramic tile floors and carpet in the bedrooms. This home comes standard with stainless steel kitchen appliances including the Whirlpool stove/range, microwave, and dishwasher, a fully automated irrigation system, professionally landscaped, with palm trees too, paver driveway and lanai. Your new home comes with industry-leading technology with a full smart home package keeping you and your home connected. Video doorbell, keyless entry, smart switch, programmable thermostat and voice control technology. It keeps getting smarter with our newest addition offering the option to enhance your new home with automated smart